It's the Autumnal Equinox, so I wanted to share something with you. Irradiance is the amount of incoming energy distributed over a surface area. We've already demonstrated how the top of the atmosphere receives rays of light from the sun as parallel, but they are distributed over a curved surface, and therefore the amount of intensity is different at different latitudes and at different times of the year. In this video, you'll be able to see how sunlight is distributed across the surface over the year. We have a North Pole and South Pole centered azimuthal equidistant map, as well as a Mollweide projection for equal area distribution. We can also see the equinox and the solstice throughout the year. Enjoy! Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We're quickly on our way to 11 bajillion subscribers or whatever, so, push some buttons or something.